This cocktail is called Drunk-N-Ade. Drunk-N-Ade, like Gatorade, but Drunk-N-Ade. Get it? Good. Go ahead and start out by putting your ice in your glass, like so. We're going to do 1 ounce of coconut rum to start us off. There we go. Now we're going to do 1 ounce of Midori, or melon liqueur. And it goes, and 1 ounce of light rum as well. So equal parts of coconut rum, light rum, and melon liqueur. Now we're going to fill with Gatorade. Lemon lime Gatorade. There you go. Now mix it all together. Your Drunk-N-Ade is going to look like green Gatorade. This is what it's going to look like. There we go. Go ahead, garnish that with a little cocktail straw, and you are good to go. Have a good time with your Gatorade. Cheers.